Welcome home. This impeccable North Park all 4-bed, 2-bath property with its lovely pond view is a must-see. As you walk through the front door, you will be greeted by a meticulously maintained home boasting many desirable features including a split floor plan for privacy, upgraded fixtures, elegant accent walls, granite countertops throughout, as well as ceramic tile in all common areas. The oversized primary suite boasts a spacious ensuite bathroom with double vanities, a large walk-in closet, beautifully tiled shower and a water closet for privacy. Opening the sliding glass doors off the living room takes you out to the lovely backyard with its serene pond view and many gorgeous plants and flowers. And the fenced yard ensures that your pets and young ones are contained as you relax and enjoy your favorite beverage while taking in the pristine view. Why buy new when you can own this gorgeous property with all its upgrades, that's just 2 years young? Homeowners in North Park all enjoy great community amenities including a resort-style swimming pool, playground, pickleball court and a dog park. This property is conveniently located near a 4 for a quick drive to Tampa or Lakeland. Disney World is only 40 minutes away and you can get to multiple beaches in about an hour. And with a very low HOA of just $109 annually, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to call this house your home. This home is beautifully decorated and the sellers are open to leaving all the furniture for a very reasonable price. Schedule your showing today.